the right-hand rule for a current carrying conductor, or sorry, for a the magnetic flux around a current carrying conductor, um, tells you the direction of the flux lines. And here's how you do it. This is your right hand. So I need you to actually do it, please. So here's your right hand, and hold up your right hand. I'm just going to make sure that you can see me. You can see me. Hold up your right hand and put your thumb in the direction of how the current is flowing. So on the page here, the current is flowing up through the page because it's in a wire going up through the page. And now, if you have your thumb in the direction of current, then the uh, lines of flux are moving this way. Your fingers are pointing in the direction of the lines of flux. So that's how you do it. Thumb is the direction of the current. Fingers are going to be naturally pointing to the magnetic flux. So in this case, let's draw these on then. That means that my thumb is pointing up, my fingers are going in the direction of the magnetic flux. There we go. My fingers were pointing this way, and I hope that yours were too. I'm going to do this one over here now. I'm going to put my thumb in the direction of that magnetic flux, and my fingers are pointing this way. And be careful, it's very hard to draw this sometimes. So if I have to draw this, it becomes a little bit of an MC Escher kind of diagram. And I like to put the arrows right on top of that current carrying conductor, just to show those ones are on top and coming down. That's a right hand rule that establishes a direction of flux around a current carrying conductor.